Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, giving you your latest edition of Quick Tips from Village Green. And today's topic is soaker hoses. I'm at my house right now, and I haven't had a chance to install a regular drip line around the foundation. I will, probably sometime over the winter time. But in the meantime, I have these soaker hoses set up. And the reason I'm firing them up is it's been a long, hot, dry summer. And this is something you don't want to see on your foundation, is that space between the soil and the foundation. So I've set up these soaker hoses, and we'll see these a lot of times around homes. Almost all of them, though, are put up right up against the foundation, which seems like a great idea, but it's not. If you talk to structural engineers and foundation companies, what you're going to find is they all recommend putting the soaker hose about a foot away from the foundation. Like you see, I have this line. The reason for that is if you put the hose right up against the foundation, then the water is going to run between the soil and the foundation, and it actually pushes the soil away from the foundation. Whereas what you want is to drench the soil a foot away from the foundation, and then that pushes our clay soil up against the foundation, applies even pressure all the way around the house. So that's why you'll see here I've laid this intentionally a little ways out. It's a bit of a nuisance for the yard guys because you have a soaker hose out a foot away from the house. You can leave it in place and eventually the grass is going to grow up over it. But this is the correct way to put in a soaker hose. Even better, as I mentioned, is a drip system that runs around the foundation and is hooked up to the sprinkler system. That's what I will be doing later on. But this is the poor man's version for right now. So this is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please share them with a friend or go to our YouTube channel.